Welcome to another day in coding. I am Blossom Oyem and I'm very happy to be your tutor. Today we'll be looking at pictures and its properties. So we're going to open our Visual Studio environment and we're going to bring in picture box from our toolbox. I'm going to bring in a picture, increase the sizes of our picture. Then I'm going to bring in a label control. Now on the properties of our picture, we have the size, the image. We'll be looking at the size mode and the image. Now the image on our property is for uploading pictures to our picture control. So you click on it, go to local resources, import button, and you select the image that you want to upload to your picture box. And the label is going to display the name of this image. Once I click on the image, it will display the name of the image on this label. You can explore more on the size mode. You can click on auto size, or you can say stretch image. I think I'll go for this stretch image. It will show the entire image you want. Then on my label control, I'm going to increase, first of all, remove the auto size to bit force, then increase the font size to 16, and also increase the image by clicking on the edges. So what I'm going to do is, by the time I click on my picture, it should show the name of my image on the label box. So by doing that, I'll double click on the picture. It's going to take me the code section of my picture box, creating a click event for my picture. But before I continue, I'm going to go back to my label, change the name property to label output. Copy that, go to my picture box, label.text box is equals to, click on that. It's going to output here piece. Then I'll terminate that code. Now, before I run this application, from our previous application on display language using the button to display the language, we're going to bring in another button to our language display. And what the button will do is, when you click on the button, it should take us to our second form view, which is our image, our picture application. So when you click on it, it's going to take you straight to that place. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring a button to the view. Drag it here. I'm going to change the button name to next. Make that bold, increase the font size so that it can be clear. So 14. So double click on that. So I'm going to call that picture app on this place. And in doing that, I would just go to my Solution Explorer, click on the name of my form, come back, and I'm going to say pictures as the form name, passing it to a variable, let's say form2, or form type is equals to the new picture app, terminate it. Then I will say my form type dot show dialog box, and terminate that. So once I click on this, I'm going to save everything. It's going to take me to the second page, which is this. I can also make this guy to look a little bit beautiful by clicking on the form and renaming or giving my background another cool color instead of leaving it as black and white. Okay, so I will save that and run my application. Once it runs successfully, the default page is going to show language translator that we had in our previous class. If you click on it to display English, then when you click on the next button, it will take you to the other application. So by the time I click on my image, it will just show the label earpiece. Okay, we're going to take a look at some assignment. We are going to create an application or a game application using the picture control. And also I want you to leave your comment on the comment below if your application runs successfully. If you've liked what you've watched, please click the like button, or if you've not subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button. You can also share this video to your friends. Thank you very much.